Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Anis Rahman and you're watching Noor Mubin YouTube channel. Today my video is about two things. First is how to use AI chat GPT, and second one is that how to improve your speaking skills by tongue twisters, using tongue twisters, and these two things will be taught in this video. I will explain everything, and how to open ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, and I will teach you how to speak fluently. If you speak tongue twisters fluently. If you speak tongue twisters fluently, your English speaking skills will be improved. Got it? So I don't want to make you wait, and let's go to my laptop screen. And here's my laptop screen. I'm going to Chrome. Got it? Chrome is opening, and here is Google Chrome, and I'm searching now Chat GPT. Chat GPT. Alright. Here's, you can see Chat GPT. I'm opening it. Click Start Now. There you can ask any type of question you want to learn about it. So I'm asking ChatGPT if he give me the tongue twisters, uh, minimum 3 tongue twisters. I will ask it. I'm typing. Please tell me 3 tongue twisters to improve my speaking skills. See, it is answering. So you can see on the screen the chat GPT has answered me. Here are 3 tongue twisters to help improve your speaking skills. First of all is she sells seashells by the seashore. Got it? Don't care about the translation, don't care about the words, meanings. You just have to speak fluently these tongue twisters. Got it? You don't hesitate, you don't need to know about the translation and about the meaning of the words. You just have to speak them fluently on your tongue. That's why they call tongue twisters, because they help you improve your speaking skills. What? They help you improve your speaking skills. So there is first tongue twisters. She sells seashells on the seashore. Got it? She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. So you have to speak fluently. What? She sells seashells on the by seashore. She sells seashells by seashores. She sells seashells by seashores. She sells seashells by seashores. Got it? And second one is I also hesitate during the speaking. So don't worry about it. You have to speak. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked the peck of pickled peppers. Got it? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Got it? And the third one is how can a calm cram in a clean cream can? Got it? How can a calm cram in a clean cream can? So these are tongue twisters. You have to speak. You have to speak fluently, and I think you have to speak more than 100 times a day. Got it? These tongue twisters to flowing of English on your tongue. You have to speak more than 100 times a day. She sells seashells by the seashore. Got it? And I will make another video about tongue twisters separately. In this video, I taught you about how to use ChatGPT to improve your English language. And any type of question you can ask ChatGPT, it will answer you correctly. But the condition is one, that your English should be correct. Your question should be correct. If you ask a question with wrong spellings or with wrong words, so your answer will be also wrong. That's why you have to you have to type correct wording so that ChatGPT answer you correctly. Got it? So today, that's I want to say. That's I want to teach. Uh, See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.